have lived in the condition that you're at the moment that you input your data, and this is calculated with data that the user inputs. This data is derived from some that you can get yourself and other that you may need an analysis to get. The ones that need analysis can, if they are, we plan that, for example, if you can input at the moment the analysis for glucose and insulin, it's calculated as if you were okay. So we just take the other ones. And the idea is that the user keeps a honest journal of what he's doing and the analysis he makes so that he gets an honest response and he can start making changes, and it's supposed to keep the progress of the person and tell him you're doing right, you need to do better because you keep getting worse or you're getting better. So you know if the changes you're doing are working and what changes you should make. And sure.
I'm sorry, how did you get the info?
From the user. The user
is going to...
Yeah,
You fill a form?
he should fill a form. Yeah, there's a form.
It's a form?
And there is a way for obtaining the information from another application?
The information is actually saved in a database. We use parse.
But like, I mean, like, you're saying this, like, if I eat a lot of fats, I have this time to live, yeah? But, okay, but then, don't you think it's a little like, well, I wouldn't like to go and type my info each time, like I ate 3 burgers.
Yeah, the idea is you are, for example, a user.
Yeah.
And you come to the application. Let's say you have already input something. It's saved. So, for example, the amount of exercise you do, you're supposed to do like 200 something minutes a week. I don't remember the exact number. If I have the equation, is not here. And those minutes are saved for every day you do, and it makes an average. So it compares that average to the one you should have. And it doesn't really keep track of all you do, but only of the last 7 days, for example.
You have also to introduce the data of what activity you do.
Yeah, you're supposed to. And the idea is that the user is honest, because you may want to be positive, have a real. You may want to lie. There's no reason.
Yes, you are supposing.
This is for yourself.
I'm picturing 2 scenarios. One, the active person that already uses jogging app to track, how much you run. And if for that scenario, would you think of integrating this with that other apps that the user may be using, so you don't have the user like inserting it? Yeah. And the second scenario, I'm imagining the lazy person that doesn't even do exercise. So if it's that lazy, that I don't see that lazy person also like taking the time to.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the thing is that, for example, with the lazy person, the idea is to create awareness for people who have at least a little bit of internet because they need to access the web. So if the lazy person enters, we hope that person is gonna take some time and feel it. There's not really something that forces him to